Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team. This video is going to be on NIO stock analysis, so I'm going to show you a chart and support and resistance levels. So first up, if you're not familiar with support and resistance, that's the name of the game when trading. You got to know where to buy and where to sell areas, right? Nothing is perfect. There are patterns that kind of give you the right gauge or kind of helpful gauge on where to buy and sell, but nothing is foolproof. But when buying any stocks, you got to know support and resistance levels and these patterns. So you'll see right here, this is a daily chart of NIO. When you come up here, you can change it to weekly, monthly, you can zoom in, zoom out. I'm just gonna stick on the daily chart for now. And what you wanna do is connect any peaks and valleys that you see. So previous support and resistance levels. So you can call them peaks and valleys, support and resistance. And what happens in the past, typically or many times price affects it in the future, right? So previous support levels become resistance and vice versa. So when you look at this chart here, I'm going to look left. So whatever's happening now, so this is currently, if you look left to previous support and resistance levels, you can extend them out into the future. So you'll see kind of right down here, here's a previous support level, which extends out to the future. And you see that? Look where price is right now. And look at this consolidation where it's been moving right over in here. So you can see that area right over in here. You've kind of got like this area right in here. And then I kind of can just go up right over here. You see when my cursor right over here to the left, when I click on it right here, you see where it goes out and it affects the future right here. So that's really what you want to do. Just connect those like horizontal support and resistance levels. So as many peaks and values that you see that touch together, like kind of right in this area, right over in here, you can see back right over here. Here's a few. So you'll see I just have my lines extended out to the future, and this starts to show me the zones when price moves up to those levels. So when you go right here, click right over here, and then sometimes you zoom in a little bit closer, like right in this area here. Sometimes what happens over here, you look kind of in between, and it kind of gives you a zone. And you can see kind of what's happening right over here with price right now. It's at a support level, right? So you see how these lines go out to the future. Then you could do this. You could do angular support and resistance depending on what the stock's looking like right now. So you can see this right here. Here's kind of some angular support right out over here. You can kind of see right here. And, you can kind of do like this. Right now, it's kind of like this descending triangle-ish pattern right now. It's not the greatest looking pattern, but if you're bullish on NIO, you want to see it or you want to buy low near a support level, and then you look at the resistance levels above and look to buy and sell, right? So if you're trading it, you would buy low, sell for profit near a resistance level. Or if you're looking to hold it long term, if you buy near support levels, then you can keep your stop loss. Let's say you bought down right over here, you could use a stop below this area, if price falls below here as a stop. So you can see that NIO is a really heavily traded stock, really popular for day trading. I personally don't know the fundamentals on it, so that would be something to do your research on. But you'll see it's in a downward channel right now. So this line right here is the 9 EMA. So it's kind of a shorter term momentum line. So you see when price starts riding above it, that would be bullish. When price starts to fail it, and you see how the 9 EMA was going up, but then you see when it curls and starts going down, price starts failing it, and you'll see like there was a bull flag, and then it pumped up over here. So you had like 1, 2, 3 bull flags, and now you have bear flag, bear flag, bear flag, bear flag. So right now it's in a bearish kind of channel, and that 9 EMA is kind of trading sideways, and price is kind of consolidating around there. So you see this double top formation, it's kind of failing. So it's right near at the support level right now. It's looking kind of bearish at the moment, but if you're bullish on it, you'd like to see it, this 9 EMA kind of curl up and price start to do this. So you'll see this kind of has a history of doing what it's doing now, but this is just kind of a breakdown of it. Learn these zones, support resistance levels, learn to buy low, sell high. This is the stuff that we teach you in our courses and in our trading community.